Cut a paper and fold it into half. Draw the design on one side. Fold the paper and press gently so that the pencil marks go on the other side.
Trace the design to other side of the paper.
This is how it would look. Use a knife to cut it out.
Based on the size that you are using for the kalasam, make sure you select the right coconut. Don't select a coconut that is too big for the kalasam. Make sure you select something which fits perfect on the kalasam.
We need to create a smooth surface for the coconut so that we can add the design on top of this. For that, I am using a steel scrub and I'm just gonna remove all the extra pieces like this. While mixing turmeric, don't mix it too hard or too watery. Make it like dosa batter consistency. This is too thick. This is perfect consistency. Now nicely apply the turmeric. Apply one coat, wait for 5 minutes and apply another coat of turmeric.
After applying 2 coats of turmeric, this is how it would look. Do not wait for it to dry. We need to start our design before the turmeric dries out. So I would recommend starting the design right away after finishing 2 coats of turmeric. Use some water to attach the paper to the coconut. Add some water to the open edges where we'll be adding Kum Kum. By adding water, the Kum Kum will stick perfect to the turmeric. If you see Kum Kum like this, that's fine. We can cover it up using some more turmeric. Using some glue and metal chain, I'm gonna decorate this beautiful namam on the turmeric coconut. Beautiful and unique coconut design is ready for this Varamahalakshmi Pooja. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching.